Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy to say I'm back out here in the garage, hopefully to get some work done. I did pick up a Harbor Freight shop press that will come in handy in today's video as well as future videos most likely. But today's video is going to be about this B16 transmission. My friend Justin is on his way over here to help me rebuild this guy. We're going to be installing the Synchrotech synchro and bearing kit that I bought for the ITR transmission that really wasn't repairable. So we're going to use it in this transmission here for just peace of mind. And we're also going to be putting in this ITR LSD and final drive set to replace the open differential that's in the B16 transmission down here. Hopefully this goes pretty smoothly and I don't run into any issues like we did on that last one, because I really want to get this car together and this transmission and engine put in the car to get it back on the road. This thing's been down since October of 23, so I am really ready to get it back on the road and driving it again. And hopefully with this new heart, it will feel a lot better, like a completely different car. So let's go ahead and jump into this and get this thing opened up. Alright, I just want to take a minute here right in the middle of the video to shout out Avant Road Procovers here. They just released the DC2 Integra Type R cover. This is for all 94 to 2001 Integra DC2s. They also have a CRX as well as many other applications. I will leave a link down in the description below for them. These are super high quality, perfect fitment covers. They are fleece lined. They're perfect for an indoor car cover. These aren't outdoor car covers. They're not waterproof or anything like that, but they will keep all the dust and grime off of them. So I'm really thankful that people are making these car covers for these old classic Hondas. It's something that will help keep these things protected for years to come. So definitely go check them out in the link below. All right, well, the transmission is now complete. I am super excited to say that Justin and I got that done, but it did not come without a lot of work and some major issues that we ran into. We didn't show the major issues because we were really stressed working through what was going on. When we got it all together the very first time, we were rolling through the gears on the bench, and when we would go to third and fourth gear, there would be no rotation on the input shaft. So something was binding up. First and second would rotate, but third and fourth would not. We opened it back up. I sent a picture over to Mark at HondaStreetGarage, and he was comparing that picture with some of the other transmissions that he's worked on, and he noticed that we put on the reverse and first gear slider upside down, and that messed up the entire transmission as far as once we got it buttoned up, it would not function properly. We didn't realize that. So we worked hours and hours opening and closing this case, adjusting the shift forks, the shift selector, multiple things, trying to get this thing worked out. He came through, gave us an assist via text message. So we jumped into it again this morning, and we got that swapped around and all put back together, and this thing rose through the gears, no problem whatsoever, and it spins freely. So it was a huge success there, and a huge shout out to Mark at Honda Street Garage. Go check him out for sure. He's got a ton of videos on transmission work as well, so he's a good resource. And this was something that I had never done before. That's why I had my friend Justin come help me. He's done it once before. So we got it done, and this thing is ready to be put in the car. So that will be the next step, is getting this thing put in the car. But I got to buy a clutch and pressure plate kit like I said earlier. And then I'll be able to move forward in mating this transmission up to the ITR swap and working through some of these minor details to get this thing put in the CRX. So thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.